Box number one. I'm honestly hoping that I get either Gingy, or if I get Donkey. Those are my main two. If I get any of the other ones, that'll be okay as well. The only problem is now that I've started a trend, I want to get all six, and I don't think I'm going to get all six of them, but that's also okay as well. So this is the first bag, and let's see who we get. And we got Fiona. Look how shiny and sparkly that is. That like reflects it. It's really well done, and on the back of it, because it's a Lash 5 product, you can also see that there's a Funko effect as well. So that is amazing.